Hello, everyone. Welcome to Court with Krissy. Super quick traffic court clip. Rude Karen, she was offended. And make sure you watch until the end after Magistrate Chisholm disconnects her. I hope you like it. Court with Krissy is now in session.
This is citation 26 BE 01374. Ms. Summers, you were cited on the 17th of March at almost 11 o'clock in the morning in the area of Berkeley near 11 Mile Road in Buckingham for operating a motor vehicle while using an electronic device in your hand. You can admit or deny responsibility, or you can admit responsibility with an explanation. How do you wish to proceed? Ms. Summers?
I'm thinking, can we have the discussion first?
This is not a discussion, ma'am. This is not a discussion. This is a hearing. Are you admitting or denying responsibility for the civil infraction?
Denying.
Could raise your right hands so we can begin with the oath. Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give in this matter will be the truth?
I swear that the testimony that I'm about to give in this matter will be the truth.
Okay, the officer will testify first, please.
And good morning.
Good morning.
Officer Williams?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. If you would begin your testimony, please.
Yes, sir. I pulled her over in Buckingham. She had her cell phone in her hand, plain as day. Wrote her a citation. That was it.
Ms. Summers?
Yes, I don't even really know if that was the truth. Was there photos? I mean, I was stationary, it says. And when I got pulled over by Officer Williams, whenever that happened, if it was at that stationary point, I was looking at my map quickly, adjusting where I was going. I had a tow appointment, and my ticket even says I was stationary. And when he pulled me over, I have the holster in my car. Clearly, I am a rule following citizen that has the holster in my car. If I had to quickly pull it over, I don't even know that I did. I had to pull it over to look at my map, which, I mean, I don't know when I did that, but I know I did that at some point, and then I put it back in the holster. The thing that I would expect my officers to do is make sure, ma'am, I see. Yes, you had your thing in the holster. I understand. Yes, you might have had to manipulate your map quickly. You have the holster. Good. That's the thing we really want to see as officers protecting our citizens. So
What
good.
they want to
Keep
see
using
is
your holster.
compliance with the statute.
Yes,
what
but
he saw was non-compliance with the statute.
Magistrate Chisholm, I know, but if I'd like to see what they really saw, because maybe I was adjusting my radio. I don't know, but I am saying yes, I did adjust my map. But you have the holster, and you sometimes have to pull the phone over, and I did it at a stoplight.
That's a violation.
When are you supposed to do it? Pull over when
Yes.
you realize? Okay,
Yes, and
maybe I
legally
was going to
park.
pull over, but I was at a stoplight.
Ma'am, the statute makes it very clear that the vehicle has to be legally parked, not for the driver to manipulate the electronic device.
Really you've never pulled me over for anything like this.
I've never pulled anybody over, ma'am.
Oh, I'm not saying you, Officer
Yes, you
Williams,
did say
who
you.
isn't sure. There he is. Hi, Officer Williams.
How you
We
doing?
had a wonderful morning that day. It's just so offensive that you would just a warning, if nothing else. I'm really glad you
Ma'am,
have
if you
your
need a
holster.
warning, I'll give you one. Don't do it again. But the fine is $220.
A warning and a fine.
The fine is $220. The violation occurred. You're responsible for it. You can pay online, you can pay by mail, or you can pay at the courthouse counter. The hearing's over. Thank you.
Do I have a warning or do I have a
Yeah,
ticket?
don't do it again is the warning.
Did she disconnect?
I disconnected her.
Okay, can I say something real quick?
Go ahead.
Sorry, I had my camera off. I was taking my daughter to school. I actually have all my citations right here.
Good.
But like I said, I was dropping her off, and I do recall her. I have my notes, but she was clearly, I was stationary. She was on the phone. She was as rude as she was today as she was that day.
Well, the hearing's over, so we will go on from there. And
Okay.
let's see, we've got Fritz, John Fritz. 19.